In this video, I am about to share how you can save time and increase efficiency by using PRINCE2 and other project management templates. In my future videos, I will be discussing more great tools about project management. So please hit like and subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out on our future updates. Before we proceed to our topic, I have something very important to tell you. PM2.biz offers 300+ professional high-quality project management templates and documents in Excel that can save time and increase efficiency. So don't miss out on the best offer. Let's proceed to our topic without wasting a second. The PRINCE2 project is a form of a project management template program to help reduce the workload of employees. It is an integrated program that is divided into 45 different sub-processes that help to manage a project effectively and in a timely manner. The 45 sub-processes are mainly categorized into 8 divisions that make up the entire template. These are the 8 categories are: Startup, SU; Planning, PL; Initiating project, IP; Directing a project, DP; Controlling stage, CS; Managing project, MP; Managing stage boundaries, SB; Closing project, CP. Each of these stages helps to keep a desired project on track and help the employees to give quality work with comparatively less stress. The benefits of using a management template are many, and thereby using such a template helps a lot. The main feature is that it helps give clarity and structure. Basically, when working with too many projects at once, you might not be able to give all the projects the same amount of attention. This can greatly affect your work. Also, there are times when you might just completely forget about a project altogether. But by using a template, you can easily keep track of all your assigned projects, and the clarity achieved from that can help you figure out how much time will be required for each one, giving you a sense of structure. These can also hugely assist in the decision-making process of any project. The templates, when finished, give a clear view of all the work done. Thus, with everything clear and simple and all the data being in front of you, you are better equipped to make an informed decision. They also help to build self-confidence and morale. To see all the work finished in the assigned time frame helps the employee to feel that he or she is easily capable of doing all the work assigned. Also, since the quality of the work is really good, it further improves their feelings of self-worth. When the employers see the work not only done but done well, their confidence in their employees increases substantially. Thus, they are able to delegate better, improving the quality of the overall output of the company. The excess amount of work you have, the more the pressure on you builds. In a high-pressure situation, you are more likely to make terrible mistakes. These errors can really hurt the project. But by using templates, you are able to find a way to reasonably manage your time so that you are not stretched too thin, yet you are able to give your 100% to all the projects. Thus, using the PRINCE2 and other project management templates, you can make your work a whole lot simpler and better. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Download 9,000+ project management and business templates, plans, tools, forms and guides at projecttemplates.biz. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.